beautiful stars. I hope that you're doing so well today. Welcome back to my channel. For today's Molli-Ween video, I have some Halloween TV show specials as well as some nostalgic 90s and early 2000s Halloween movies that I think you should watch this year. So without further ado, let's just get into the recommendations. Starting out with Double Double Toil and Trouble. This is a Mary-Kate and Ashley movie. This is one of my favorites growing up, and I'm 26, so I watched this way after it was even produced and released, but I still really enjoy it, and it just gives me like that nostalgic vibes. I was kind of on the cusp of like Mary-Kate and Ashley being really popular, probably more so like older sisters generation. I still really enjoy their movies and all of their TV shows. I think this is just such a good one to add to this time of year. Halloweentown. I've talked about this a couple of times. It's my personal favorite. It's one I go back to time and time again throughout the year, not only just around Halloween. There's just something so magical about it, obviously because it's about witches, but like just the flying bus and just the mystery behind it, and Calabar is really scary. He still kind of freaks me out, to be honest.
Ow! Jump scare!
And I just think Disney did so well at making these Halloween movies back in the day. I haven't watched any of the new ones that they've released lately, especially on Disney Channel, but yeah, Halloweentown is just so special. I have all 4 of them on DVD, and they always make my heart so happy whenever I watch them. Casper from 1995. This one always has a special place in my heart as well. I think that the story is really cute, and like the Whipstaff Manor is so cool. I wish it was a real place all the time to just go and visit, and it always makes me crave going to the East Coast during the Halloween season or the fall season. I think that'd be so cool. Another one is Teen Witch. I love this movie. It's one of my top favorite 80s movies alongside Teen Wolf, and I think that these ones are just so fun to watch. Yes, they're like a little cheesy. I don't know, there's like a charm to them, and I think that those ones are just fun ones to watch even all year round. There's just like an added vibe when you watch it around October. Some other like more nostalgic movies that I would recommend watching around this time of year, especially if you do have Disney Plus, is any of the 90s, early 2000s Disney Channel original movies that are Halloween, like Mom's Got a Date with a Vampire, Phantom of the Megaplex, Under Wraps. Oh yeah, Don't Look Under the Bed. That one is so scary. I'm still afraid of the boogeyman, to be honest. Especially that boogeyman. If you know, you know. I talked about that in my last video, but those are some of my favorites, and if I missed any of your favorites, please comment them down below so I can watch them too. Moving on to some Halloween TV show specials. These ones are like some Nickelodeon shows as well as just some other shows that were playing during this time in the 90s. Is Rugrats Season 1 Episode 9. It's called Candy Bar Creep Show. Doug Season 4 Episode 4, Doug's Halloween Adventure. Boy Meets World Season 5 Episode 17, and then there was Sean. Full House Season 3 Episode 8, Divorce Court. Sabrina the Teenage Witch Season 1 Episode 5, A Halloween Story. Hey Arnold Season 2 Episode 11, Arnold's Halloween. Family Matters Season 6 Episode 6, Dark and Stormy Night. Home Improvement Season 2 Episode 6, The Haunting of Taylor House. Step by Step Season 4 Episode 6, Something Wild. Sister Sister Season 3 Episode 7, Halloween. Saved by the Bell Season 4 Episode 26, Mystery Weekend. Some more nostalgic TV shows from Disney Channel is That's So Raven Season 2 Episode 2, The Sweet Life of Zack and Cody Season 1 Episode 19. I think that's the one where like it's like the haunted room. Oh my gosh, that's engraved in my memory forever. Lizzie McGuire Season 1 and 2, both episodes are 24 for the Halloween special. I will never forget the Lizzie McGuire Halloween special where like it's the Day of the Dead and they have like those skulls and they glow and then everyone like turns into a zombie. That one freaked me out so much as a kid. It's always in there and I always want to watch it around this time of year. Hannah Montana Season 1 Episode 17, Wizards of Waverly Place Season 3 Episode 2, Kim Possible Season 1 Episode 14. Now moving on to some more, I don't even know what you would describe them as, I guess just more current shows. I mean, some of them are from like the 90s and then some are from like the 2010s. There's Scream Queens Season 1, that's always a good one. New Girl Season 2 Episode 6, Friends Season 8 Episode 6, Modern Family Season 2 Episode 6, Brooklyn Nine-Nine Season 5 Episode 4, How I Met Your Mother Season 1 Episode 6, and then The Office. There are a couple episodes. So for Season 2, you'll want to watch Episode 5. For Season 5, you would want to watch Episode 6. For Season 6, you'll want to watch Episode 8. For Season 7, you'll want to watch Episode 6. And the last season that you'll want to watch a Halloween episode for The Office is season 8, episode 5. And then I'll throw in some Parks and Rec. I haven't watched the show, but I know a lot of people do really enjoy it. So season 2, episode 7, season 4, episode 5, and season 5, episode 5 are some Halloween specials. So those are all of my recommendations. I will have a link below to a list of all of them. I found a lot of these on Pinterest and just Google searching and then my own brain. So if you want to find them, I'd recommend Pinterest if you want to add them to a pin board or anything like that. That's all I have for you today. I hope that you're staying spooky and having a great Halloween season. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, shine bright and stay spooky. Bye!